taştı. Abi korkma, sakin ol.
The combined effects of Typhoon Infa and an area of high pressure in the Pacific have already generated intense rain that caused last week's deadly floods in Henan, which affected more than 11.4 million people. All flights to and from major cities including Shanghai, Hangzhou and Ningbo were suspended, as well as some train services. Shanghai has also suspended all high-speed train services until noon on Monday. Meanwhile, Zhejiang province raised a red alert for flooding for close to 30 cities and counties, according to the provincial government's Weibo account. Ahead of the typhoon's arrival, social media users in Zhejiang posted photos and videos showing trees being blown over by strong winds and the Yao River overflowing its banks.